Exercise 1. Barbell rear delt raise. Targets rear delts and upper back muscles for better shoulder balance. Keep arms slightly bent and lift with controlled motion. Avoid shrugging to ensure tension stays on the delts, not traps. This exercise enhances posture and adds width to the shoulders. Exercise 2. Dumbbell standing around world. Engages front, lateral, and rear delts through a wide circular motion. Keep arms extended but not locked, moving smoothly around shoulder height. Focus on control to avoid momentum. This movement improves shoulder mobility, endurance, and overall shape. Exercise 3. Dumbbell seated bent arm lateral raise. Isolates lateral delts while minimizing leg drive. Bend elbows slightly and raise arms to shoulder level with controlled tempo. Sitting position prevents swinging, forcing delts to work harder. Enhances shoulder width and definition. Exercise 4. Dumbbell bent arm lateral raise. Similar to the seated version but performed standing. Targets lateral delts with added stability challenge. Maintain slight elbow bend and avoid excessive weight to keep tension on shoulders. Builds roundness and symmetry in the deltoid muscles. Exercise 5. Barbell standing shoulder press. A compound lift that works front delts, lateral delts, triceps, and upper chest. Keep core braced and press bar overhead without arching the lower back. Use controlled motion to avoid joint strain. Excellent for overall shoulder mass and strength. Exercise 6. Lever-seated reverse fly focuses on rear delts and upper back for improved shoulder posture. Seated position stabilizes the body, allowing strict movement. Keep arms slightly bent and squeeze shoulder blades at peak contraction. This builds rear delt thickness and reduces shoulder imbalances.